Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening your dialer and start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and a serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code, actually similar to the previous one, *#07#. And thanks to it we can open the regulatory labels so we can check the head and the body of our device. Tap on OK, and another code for the calendar info, it is *##225#*##. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Unfortunately, you cannot enter specific categories, but you can see and check the overall number of the events. Another code is *##426###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3-dot icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and go to the status again. Tap on the status. And here we've got much more information. So for example, you can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check, for example, the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So for example, in Wi-Fi info we can check the status and we can refresh the stats, and here we can check the info just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back, and in usage statistics, usually we should have the list of all apps which are currently on this device, and for some reason it doesn't work in many models, not only in this one, so I do not recommend entering the usage statistics. And phone information, where you can check the IMEI number again, the car network, data service, voice service, signal strength. And basically you will be able to check those details if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why we cannot check it. Here you can also run ping test. Just tap on it, and here you've got the results for the host name. And after tapping on the 3-dot icon, you can, for example, view SIM address book or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.